beg, play music. I'll be deaf and dumb. No go play music. What's wrong with you? Play music. Play music with a go scratch. Hola. Who sang that song? Brother Shike from Salvation Ministry. Play it again, play it again. You know, say this boy no get sense. Obuzegene kam na achọ no. Imana chukwu agozi womo. Onye no. And he never asked the girl out to. He never played the other one, secure. The same person where they tell the girl, say, give me you and give us. After when the girl don't tell her, say, I cannot date you. Now you got to see this one.
Who are you talking to?
This you know.
Who is on the phone? Who are you chatting with? Who is on the phone? What are you laughing for?
Hola.
Who is on the phone?
You get another song when I don't even understand. That boy will sing. Sometimes food no they give man joy, but Canadian lad, the feeling is different. Which of the Canadian lad? It be like say hungry never really catch that boy you. Hungry don't already catch you. Check your WhatsApp. You don't see anybody to send message. You enter studio, go sing that kind of nonsense. Ladies and gentlemen, kill him. You don't do. What's your name? What's your name? Biggie. Mickey. You dey lick Mick? Boy, this kind of short DJ be like Bitcoin. Go soon follow. You know, say we dey backstage, they argue, say Joshua King and Bertrand who short pass. Now I come say me VAR check am now. So VAR go check. Okay, screen no dey here. VAR go check whether Bertrand and Joshua King who short pass. And not be that one they pay me. Bertrand go read law. Imagine say Bertrand dey practice. Now briefcase for the handle. Wow. Bertrand. Objection overruled. Why you want to overrule with your short hand? They go machete. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC Monica. Money is not the problem, just that I no get. If I get, I dey give. Normally. I'm a graduate. No, they feel bad for me. I went to school. Graduated with 2-2. Draw match. School get 2, I get 2. See, if you graduate with 2-1, na school get 2. You get 1. If you graduate with first class, na school get first. Because, third class na results. Na communion. Because if you carry first class or second class up and come outside, who want to employ you? Who they work for you now? Community slot to use the work. Go say this one wey no make come on me for office. So if you are here, if you want fail. Fail, we don't graduate. What will they do? Sure. And you get some people who are not they understand. They're going to tell you, say, get 2 streams of income. Get 2 streams. You not go get one before you get 2. I don't even they understand these people. When we did school, you know say ace for their Bible. You know say ace for their Bible. To do ace for not even hard pass to read book. Because if you copy footing, come outside, carry answer exam hall, no come out. Now you go come the plane to refrigerator, look at it, there is not there. Compare. No be small. You ask for the Bible. Bible say copy to show yourself approved. Your Bible now. They get King James version. They get New Living Translation. This one is my translation. Going further, I said, a final year student that needed not to be ashamed in the extra year. You go place your material at the right places. Because you get I'm a product of this, but I'm proud of myself. Our president no get results. So I'm even better than him. After all, imagine say people, well, after that answers, all the youth they agitate. We must bring our president. We want bring our president, not too young to run. As they say now 100 million, everybody run away. But that thing, if you carry 100 million buy for how much to do poster? You never even collect poster. Okay, my time don't finish. You don't say that the time us. Before I go, let me teach you. You get one song where they do expo they use for school. Trust and obey, for there is no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. We change them, copy and paste. Copy and paste, for there is no other way to be on clear stand but to copy and paste. Let's do it together. Copy and paste. Copy and paste, for there's no other way to be on clear stand but to copy and paste. When you enter exam hall and the thing no dey there, my brother say you get a ball. Should be JB dey there, should be Bertrand dey there. Why not stretch neck and copy and paste? Copy, copy and paste. Copy and paste, but there's no other way to be on clear stand but to copy and paste. But before you copy, look who you dey copy, because some people dey write nonsense. Now so I copy, but when result came out, my brother me self a shock. Copy.